Welcome to HackaThink. Today I have found this Dyson fan in the bin and I'm going to try to repair it. So first things first, the fan does not turn on in any way. It does not emit any light, make any noise, nor move. And so I suspect it being a power issue, which is quite good for us as it should be a relatively easy fix. And so this is why I tried to dismantle the fan in order to get access to the power board. But unfortunately, Dyson has built their fans like a tank and has made it incredibly hard for people to open the fan in order to repair it as they want them to buy a new product. This is why I went to my local repair group in order to get the proper tools and to get the help with the knowledge of people that know a lot more than I do in this topic. I start off by monitoring the voltage on the main input pins. I am secondly using the wireless function of the multimeter, which tells me that some current is indeed going through the motor. This means that the issue may be coming from the fan motor. On the other hand, I firstly unmount the circuit board in order to check the power components. The biggest components and switches seem to be working just fine, while the circuit board does not send the adequate voltage to the motor. Using this process of thinking, the issue is coming from the logic part of the circuit board, which contains all of the tiny components. I do not have the necessary knowledge, nor time or skills to fix such surface-mounted components. Having found this fan in the dumpster, I am going to call it right here, but I will still save the part for a future potential project. Anyways, I make tons of videos such as this one, so if you want to see more, you might want to subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, and if you have anything interesting to say, leave a comment down below and we will have a meaningful conversation. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys soon.